Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Najah Issa at Tech Insights. I'm glad that you're all here once again. Today we're kicking off a brand new playlist like you've seen on the advertising video, AI tool that's changing education. It's Quizizz. So it's all about Quizizz, one of the best tools for making learning fun, interactive, and engaging, whether you're in classroom or you're teaching online. In this series, I'll be walking you through everything from the basics to advanced tips and tricks. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned educator, you'll find something valuable here. Let's dive into the world of quizzes and unlock the power of this tool together. So, you're going just to log in to your Google account on quizizz.com. This is the name of the tool that we're working with today. You just log in using Google account like we're used to. Once you log in, you can see this page. Of course, you have to just fill in some information about yourself so the AI can relate the content to your profile. Here it's all about math since my profile is mostly about math. Once you open the home page, you can go directly to create. If you're going to start creating, it opens these pages. Let me go again. I'm sorry. Okay, so once you open it, you're going to see assessment, lesson, interactive video, passage, and flashcards. Okay, and you can see here the trials that you have on your free version. Okay, you can also subscribe to the pro version, which has unlimited access to these tools. I'm going to sort each video for one of these tools. So today I'm going to start with an assessment. So if I'm going to start creating an assessment, I just click on assessment and it says if you have a worksheet, import this worksheet here. If you want to generate it with AI, purely AI, then go ahead. And if you want to create it from scratch, it's like you are doing your own questions. Okay, so mainly I go to generate with AI because most of the time we are short in time to prepare assessments, and especially if we need formative assessments directly in classroom. So I go to generate with AI and you can see this page, it opens again. What's good about that, you can go to YouTube, you can choose, you can just paste the link here you want, or you can browse the YouTube. Okay, let's say I need Pythagorean theory. You can just take the video about Pythagorean theory that you need. You just go down, you insert it. Okay, so this is the video. You proceed. And I can create up to 10 interactive videos. Let's see if my free version still holds it. Okay, so guys, look what you're going to do. Every time you play the video, I'll lift this up. Okay, so you can choose a place where you can add a question. So we reached this point and I want to add a question here. All you have to do is click on add the question and you can choose the type of the question that you want. Of course, they are not all free. You can put open-ended question and poll in the free version. Okay, or you can add a note if you want to explain something to your students. After you're done with all that, let's try to add a question. Okay, let's say here I'm going to ask this question. Auto evaluate with quizzes, enable and show your work. Enable. After you do that, okay, this is the grade. You answer the question here. So enable. Okay, now you have the question done. You just click on save. So this is the question, it appears here. Okay, let's say you're done with all the questions you need. Once you're done with all the questions you need, you go to preview to check if it works well. On preview, you can just play. Okay, so when you reach the point where you added the question, the question will appear to the students and they should answer. Participants view, let's see. Okay, so once you agree on all the questions you have, and of course you should add the answer as well, you can go and publish. Once you publish, you give it a name, okay, the subject, the grade, the language, publicly visible or restricted for you and the people you share with or in the organization. Okay, so this is the title, and then you go publish. And now there it is. Okay, you can assign it to your students if you have your students with you on Quizizz, if you created classrooms. You can share it, you can get the link, okay, and share it. And if you want to play it in your classroom, you can go to preview, preview as a student. And now you're seeing it with the students. You're seeing it with your students, okay? You see, this is the point where we added the question. It's here. Once you click start, let's see. Okay, see, so once you reach the point where you added the question, it says state the converse of Pythagorean theory, for example, and then you write the answer. So once you write the answer here, you are going to continue the video. At the end, of course, students shall click on submit. So let's say I wrote whatever. I'll click on submit. It's going to say if my answer is correct or not. Okay, so submitted, and we continue. Okay, and you continue. If you add as many questions as you want, every time you watch this video with your students inside the classroom, the questions will appear. Okay, or if you don't want to watch that video with your students inside the classroom, you're going to assign, okay, as I told you, assign it as a homework, or you share it as a link. You got the link and you send it to your students, telling them how to do this task. Okay, so that's concerning the first way to create an assessment using a YouTube video. There's also other ways of creating assessments. I'm going to go again on assessments. Okay, on create, I'm sorry. Okay, assessments. If I'm not creating from a YouTube, I can create from a website. You also put the link of the website here and you can generate the quiz from the website. We rarely use that option. We can use text or prompt, and this would be in our next video. If you want to see how to create a Quizizz uh, assessment using text or prompt, please check the next video. It would be very soon uploaded. And if I have already an assessment, but I want it to be interactive, so I can upload the document I have. This would be in a third video. And then we're going to see how to create more of lessons, interactive videos, passages, and flashcards using Quizizz. If you want to know more about that, please subscribe to my channel and join me to see more videos or to unlock more videos about Quizizz. I'll also keep on uploading videos about Magic School, and I'll just announce one more thing. I'm hosting a question and answer Zoom meeting for all my subscribers. So if you're interested to join, please drop down in the comments below what are the topics you'd like to talk about in that Zoom meeting. And if you have a favorable date or time, please let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm going to see you in the next videos.